Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video, I will show you that how you can invite your friends on Clash Royale. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So you need to install Clash Royale from Play Store, and after it's installed, just click on it to open that game and wait for it to load. Once the game is loaded, you need to complete the training process in order to get social access. I already have cleared my training process, so now let's see how you can add your friends. On the top, you will see an icon with 3 persons. Click on this and this is the social network. Here you will see a yellow button saying invite friend. Click on this and now you can copy the link and send it to your friends so they can join you in Clash Royale. So click the copy button, or what else you can do is directly send this to someone using your WhatsApp or Instagram or any other social platform. And that's how you can invite friends to play Clash Royale with you. I hope this was useful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.